I'm going to show you how to replace this shower head. This one's getting pretty old and it's getting all plugged up with sediment and stuff, so it doesn't work very well. So I've actually loosened up this nut with a wrench. I'm just going to unscrew it. And remove that old shower head. And this one is the one I'm going to put in. It's a Earth brand, and it's supposed to be a low flow, but it's got different settings on it. You just twist it, and this part comes out, and turn it the other way, it goes back in. So kind of interested to see what kind of spray this will produce. But I needed to buy this short piece of pipe because I needed 2 male ends. And first thing with that, I'm going to take some Teflon tape, which helps seal up the joint. And when you put this on, when you're looking at the end of the pipe, these are right-hand threads. Generally only natural gas is left-hand, but you want to start the tape and then go clockwise. Oops. So you want to, this stuff, it likes to stick to itself, so it's not super easy to work with. But I'm just going to go around, I think 2 times should be enough. And you can tear it, but then it gets all messed up. So I'm going to use my Swiss Army knife and cut that. And you want to wrap it clockwise, because if you wrap it counterclockwise, when you thread the shower head or the hose on, you're going to thread it, spinning it this way. If you put the thread on that, or the Teflon tape on the other way, when you put this on, it's going to be pushing against, the tail would be sticking this way, and the threads will be going against it. It'll probably push it back and clump it up, and you could have a leak there. So I've got the Teflon tape on that small pipe, and I'm going to carefully thread it onto the shower head. You want to be careful so you don't cross thread it. And this has some pretty good grip on it, so I'm just going to do it hand tight there. Then I'm going to put more Teflon on this other end of the pipe. So I've got the Teflon onto the pipe. Now I'm going to thread it into the shower hose. You need to put enough Teflon tape on, so you don't want to do too crazy, because then it becomes, or too much, because then it becomes hard to thread it, the pieces together. So it's gotta really kind of, I don't have a wrench, so I'm just going to do that hand tight. And let's turn this on. Let's see what we got. Oh, much better. That's way, oh, we got a leak. Oh, wait a minute. It's up in here. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's up in here somewhere, which in this application, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to replace this hose, but that's a much better stream. Before it was all just messed up. Let's see what happens when I turn this. Oh, it's a massage. Oh, that's cool. And it varies on how much the water's on, but should save me some money on water usage compared to the old head. But that's pretty much it, other than I got to replace that hose that's leaking. But yeah, to pick one up. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.